With wedding season in full swing, we're all looking for fast, fabulous, and wonderful corsages. This technique, using a wire cuff, is wonderful. Let me show you how. The base, just the aluminum wire, comes in so many different colors, very malleable, easy to work with, and manipulate into a fabulous form that then becomes the base. Just to slide it on your wrist, tighten it down to fit, so it's adjustable to any size. Now for the full technique on this, you'll find it in the Flower Lovers Club. If you had the opportunity to join us for the 2022 Designing for Comp, you were the first ones to learn this in class. Today, I'm just going to show you how to enhance it with flowers. This has to be one of the easiest corsages I've ever made. It's perfect for the wedding season. When you run out of time, if you had bases pre-made, then using your Oasis Floral adhesive, simply take a single bloom or two, depends on how full you want it to be, and then a dab of glue and a dab of glue. Let it begin to dry. Dab of glue and repeat. Then simply add it right to the spiral. Getting it set, and then you're ready to enhance with foliage. Using just a couple of leaves of ruscus, a tiny bit of glue on the base, and repeat. Then simply place that on the base underneath where you did the orchids, so then it covers, in case any glue had seeped through, it would be hidden, totally concealed. Repeat. And it adds that little bit of color that makes it even better. As you can see, the recipe is easy. Just 2 miniature Phalaenopsis orchids. But it could be any lightweight, flat-faced flower. Ranunculus, absolutely fabulous. Now, if you want the full tutorial for the cuff, go ahead and log into your Flower Lovers Club and look in the technique library. You'll find it there. For more inspiration, check out the website, flowerschool.com. And now it's your turn. Find wire, find flowers, and create away. Then be sure to take a picture and post it on social media. # Floral Design Institute. That way I can see, and we all can see, what you do as you do something you love.